Hey everyone, welcome to part 5 of 5 makeup series for a full face of makeup for beginners. If you have not already, go ahead and check out 1 through 4 to see how I got here, from moisturizing to foundation to contouring to blush and highlighting. And my final step is I'm going to do lipstick today. I'm not going to wear eyeshadow, but we will do some videos about like eyeshadow and brows and lashes and a whole nother series. We'll do like an eye series, right? And so we'll do that at some other time. And so we're gonna finish out this series with lipstick, and I'm just going to do a little refresher. I didn't introduce myself, but I am Yany. I am the co-founder of Yany Beauty, a luxury beauty brand for multicultural skin, and I want to show you our products in real life. These are the products that I use every day at home. So if you see my other videos, you see that these are not prop products, they have been used, and so just kind of want to give you a snapshot of how they look in use. So go ahead and check out those other videos. The products are in the description with the links in order to copy some. Okay, and so I'm gonna go for like a pink, a deep nude color for my lips. This is the Yany Lippie pencil in Blackberry Champagne. And so I'm going to use this first. It's kind of beat up, but again, I use this stuff all the time, so disregard. And so what you want to do is go around the natural line of your lips. And for the people who have smaller lips, you can also go a little outside of your normal line in order to give yourself a more volumized, fuller lip look. But I like the size of mine, so I'm gonna stay with mine. And if you know me, I always say create your own beauty standards. So don't do what you think everybody else is doing. Embrace what you have and work on that. And so just going in my natural line the same way here. If you don't have like the natural V shape, you can always create one, or if you have a curved lip, just go around your curve. Okay, so now that I've done that, I also like to bring my liner in a little bit on my actual lip so that I can get some of that color into my lipstick. So in the corners, I'm just going to come in. At the bottom, I'm going to go up a little bit. And you could do this with a pencil or a brush. And then I'm going to come in a little bit across the top. So now my liner looks kind of a little bit like lipstick, but that's just because I want to mix in this color with my lip color. And so I'm going to use, this is one of our newest shades. I believe it is Love. So that is the newest shade. It's like a pink nude color. And these are, by the way, these are matte liquid lipsticks, and so they're liquid form, but they will dry to a matte. We also have like regular moisturizing lipsticks that will give you that shine if that's what you want. But today I'm going for a matte look. I started my face with a matting primer to give myself a matting look, and I'm also going to finish that with a matte lipstick. And so you just want to do the same thing. You can kind of just pat into your lip. And don't go on top of the liner, kind of go inside. And of course, if you had a thinner liner, you would go, in a more thin look. So that's what you want to do. My kids are just opening my door, so never mind that. And then I just like to pat. So I'm just gonna pat, and then there you go. And like I said, this over maybe about a minute will start to turn a little more matte than what it is. But I just like this little pink mauve nude color, and so this is what I will be wearing today. And then to finalize, just to end out this series, we have a setting spray that you can buy to set this. So if you want an all day look, you can put your setting spray on and set. I'm not going to use setting spray right now. I am going to, because I'm just, you know, I don't know how long I'll wear it. I don't really mind how long it lasts, but I am going to use a refreshing spray. This is Yany Antioxidant spray. It just gives your skin like a lot of nutrients. It's going to give it a glow in, you know, the right places if that's what you're looking for. It just makes your skin feel more awake, and you can use this like any time of day when you just kind of want to pick her upper and you don't have to wear makeup. Like you can wear this on your just fresh face, and if you just like feel tired or you've been out in the sun, you just kind of want to pick me up, this spray is great for that. And so I'm going to shake it a little bit because it can get harsh, and I'm going to hold it back several, you know, maybe a foot from my face. And just mist. And then I just kind of let that sit, and you know, my skin is refreshed. You know, it has a light scent to it, so it's not overpowering. You can see it's wet, but I'm not going to pat it in. I'll let it dry that way. And then I'll just get a dewy look over my matte. And so I hope you like this process. Like I said before, I did not speed up any of the videos because I wanted you to get a real world, real time look at how this makeup process works, especially if you are a newbie and really want to get to know how to do your makeup in the easiest ways possible. So I did not speed up the video. So if you know that stuff, fast forward, you know, move on to the next video or whatever. But like this video, subscribe to this channel so that you can see all of our makeup series. We'll be even throwing some hair in there because we also do sell hair products in our store. And so, you know, just check us out, subscribe so you can see the latest, and then comment and tell me how you like it. Tell me how you like this look. This is just a regular, I'm just going out and hang out. It's Saturday, it's beautiful out, and I just kind of, you know, wanted to look good today, and so I'm going to change into my little dress. But let me know what you think in the comments. Follow us here. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook at yanybeauty.co. That's YANYBEAUTY.co. And check out our website, yanybeauty.co. Again, that information is in the description box below. Till next time, everyone, be great and be beautiful. Have a great day.